Today, we bring you the top 10 heart-touching forced marriage Turkish dramas, where love begins with obligation but grows into something unforgettable. Let's dive in. Number 10, Kızıldel Goncalar, Redbirds. Kızıldel Goncalar tells the powerful story of Mariam, who was married off at the age of 14 in an Islamic sect. Now, she fights fiercely to save her daughter, Canep, from the same fate as the bride of a sheikh's grandson. Guided by her sister-in-law, a former sect member, Mariam embarks on a dangerous journey to free Canep from the sect's powerful grip. But first, she must escape the shadow of her cruel husband. With no resources, she takes a job as a caregiver in the home of Levent, a secular psychiatrist who reluctantly agrees to help her. But when Levent's daughter's hidden past is exposed, will Mariam's own secrets be safe? Number 9, Yal Cap'n, Golden Boy Kingfisher. Halis Adha is the head of the Korhan family and the owner of a vast jewelry empire. Even though his grandsons, Ferit and Fuat, handle most of the business, he still makes all the important decisions. Ferit, the youngest grandson, is a carefree bachelor who has just returned from abroad. Fed up with his reckless lifestyle, Halis orders his widowed daughter-in-law, Ifakat, to find him a respectable bride. When the news spreads, it reaches Kazim, a struggling father in Gaziantep. His only hope for wealth lies in his two beautiful daughters, Suna and Seyran. But when Ferit unexpectedly chooses Seyran instead of Suna, an unexpected battle begins. Can Seyran, a free-spirited girl, survive a marriage forced upon her by fate? Number 8, Ujak Sahir, Distant City. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her 5-year-old son and the body of her late husband, hoping to fulfill his last wishes. But her arrival marks the beginning of an irreversible fate. Sihan Albora, the powerful head of the Albora tribe, refuses to let Alia take her son and leave. As she struggles against the dark traditions of the past, buried secrets resurface, threatening everything she believes in. Will Alia find a way to break free, or will she be trapped in a world she never wanted? Number 7, Ken Saiscleri, Vendetta. Ken Saiscleri tells the intense story of Dil and Baran, who are forced into marriage because of a blood feud between their families. Despite the hostility surrounding them, their forced union ignites a passion neither expected. But just when they start to find common ground, Baran's uncle reveals shocking truths: his parents' killers are still alive. However, Baran doesn't realize that the real mastermind behind his mother's murder is closer than he thinks, someone he trusts completely. Will Baran seek revenge, or will love stop him from making a terrible mistake? Number 6, Sahib Sizzler, The Abandoned Ones. 6 orphaned siblings, Aziz, Semil, Liha, Fidan, Samet, and Balim, lose their parents suddenly and are left to fend for themselves. Their tragedy traces back to a forbidden love story between their parents, Bala and Afat. Decades ago, Bala was kidnapped by Yavuz, the obsessive son of the wealthiest family in Mardin. But she escaped with Afat, the man she truly loved, and they built a hidden life in the forest, raising their children in peace. One day, their past catches up with them, and the family is torn apart. Forced to flee to Istanbul, the siblings must survive in a city full of dangers while uncovering the painful truths of their parents' past. Will they manage to stay united, or will fate separate them forever? Number 5, Kara Sevda, Endless Love. Kemal, a hard-working mining engineer, doesn't believe in miracles, especially when it comes to love. But his life turns upside down when he meets Nihan, a woman from an entirely different world. Nihan, born into a life of privilege, is drawn to Kemal's sincerity. Despite their differences, love blossoms between them. But their happiness is short-lived. A dark secret forces Nihan to marry Emir Kochkulu, a ruthless businessman who has been obsessed with her since childhood. Years later, when Kemal and Nihan cross paths again, can their love survive the secrets that tore them apart? Number 4. Sia Beaz asks, Price of Passion. Farhat is a cold-blooded hitman with a dark past. Asl is an idealistic surgeon dedicated to saving lives. Their worlds collide when Farhat is shot during a mission and Asl is forced to operate on him. To keep his secret safe, Farhat is ordered to kill her, but instead, he forces her into marriage. Trapped in a power game beyond her control, Asl finds herself drawn to the man who once terrified her. But Farhat's world is too dangerous for an innocent love story. Will Asl escape, or will she become a part of his darkness? Number 3. Fatmagal Sukune. What is Fatmagal's fault? Fatmagal is a small-town girl whose life is shattered after a horrific assault by 3 powerful men. Their families pressure her into marrying Karim, a man who was present during the incident but did nothing to stop it. Though innocent, Karim is consumed by guilt. As Fatmagal fights for justice, Karim stands by her side, slowly falling in love with her. But will Fatmagal ever forgive him? And can love truly heal such deep wounds? Number 2. Zumruduanka, the Phoenix. Beautiful and strong-willed Zumrud works for the powerful Demirkan family. She dreams of a happy future with Serhat, the man she loves, who is away on military duty. But her world crumbles when she receives the devastating news Serhat has died. Left with no choice, she is forced to marry his uncle, Adil Demirkan, to save her family. Just as she starts accepting her fate, Serhat returns, alive. Now trapped in a web of love, betrayal, and revenge, can Zumrud escape the Demirkan family's clutches? Number 1. Ramo. Inspired by a true story, Ramo follows a man who dares to defy his superiors. Working under a powerful mafia family that runs the fuel smuggling business, Ramo grows tired of the way his family is treated. He decides to challenge the system, just like his father did before him. But rebellion comes at a cost. When Ramo raises his flag against his bosses, he unknowingly steps into a war that could destroy everything he loves. Will he succeed in changing the rules, or will the system break him first? Did you enjoy this list? If you love Turkish dramas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Which drama are you most excited to watch? Let us know in the comments below.